chỉ bay lệ vét cô lệ hey tuần trồng chu weekend kan tu ten lo kala kan huana ka thai te min han lak pui don ni hi
Sunday chu ka tu pa LARSTEA te an lo kala I classic rim alo nam to it's winter
ole ma sai LARSTEA school kal chung chang hi tlem te kan han zot ve vel mai mai lo ka nge lo ngai thabe mai mai ola
so when did you start school?
I started school August 26th.
August 26 at school and start to chu wang chan a local mai thei to lawa hey kanin hu kha deu to don ni so tell me about school but there
School is interesting. I do a lot of things in school. I programming mainly, and then I also do cross country and I run.
Computer in Tansiak na cross country at Elbokani so when are you going to have your first race in Tansiak must have been
my first race will be this Tuesday, I think.
Tuesday?
A couple days.
Anh tega nghe graduate don min shal le
I'm gonna graduate this December, near the end of the school year. And that's when I'll be graduating and hopefully going off to college and stuff.
yeah khong e college kal don bit there
I don't know exactly where I'm gonna go yet, but probably Harrisburg.
okay chuanin enge subject kaiser don enge what class
what classes? Software engineering will probably be my major.
In software
college.
engineer ni do ni so van chadon so how far is the college from your house but
from my house in Mechanicsburg, it's only like to Harrisburg. It's like a half an hour drive there.
oh okay chuanin driver license ni to tro
Yeah, I have my license.
let's see let me see
Here, I don't
hey
know
at ka khal to char
my wallet, but
yeah
I do have my license.
license ni veran to unaute so you like driving around your brothers
Yeah, well, as the oldest brother, it's kind of my job to drive everyone around and make sure they get where they need to go. If they want to like go to a friend's house or something.
okay speeding low tro bit there
No, I would never speed.
Police nan man ja khat chi don lo lam tro if you have all your brothers and so if you are speeding it will be very bad right okay so winter kanin mo bit there snowboarding itile donem
Yeah, I still snowboard a lot, and I do that in the winters. It's I don't know. My competitive years snowboarding have been really good, though with like school and life stuff, it's been harder to do. You know?
yeah I know so snowboarding kan mo which one you like the most engay do ber bit there
Which one do I like the most? I like a lot of things in snowboarding.
I'll tell you once you're done I'm gonna tell you what my favorite ka do ber ka lang che bit there
Well, when we went out to Colorado for nationals, that was probably my favorite mountain I've ever snowboarded at. They're huge, thousands of feet up into the air. And then my favorite,
cross country no rail jam half pipe
I like half pipe. I think it's one of my favorites.
half pipe come on bit there kay ka do half pipe
There's
come on
usually never enough snow to keep it up for like more than a couple weeks though. But they're fun.
I know. Snow tam ta ka ngai lom tro half pipe to chuan
Yeah.
you need lots and lots of snow
You need a lot of snow to build a half
pipe come
And then
on
you need a big machine to go through it and carve it out.
yeah I know so but there what are the chores you do at home tell me again in that night talk min han shil tele
I do a lot of things. I mow the lawn. I
you
deal with
cut the grass
cut the grass.
and then
I deal with the trash.
trash po pa ya
I do a lot of general cleaning,
Okay, I define in the define it too. Then when your brother was smaller, diaper boy thak
Yeah, and
diaper boy thak
since my brothers are little, I've changed a lot of diapers.
Yeah, a lot of diapers. Here comes Rooney. Rooney, tell me about your high school. I talk. Hey, we're gonna pick vegetables, but tell me, what do you like about high school?
It's it's great. It's fun.
รุ่นเตฮีทะเลไม่ยานกุมสอมปรุกอาทิตย์โดนะ Sweet 16
you raised
กัน
with your
ตีคุณ
brother,
ค่ะ
right?
อาลูเท
Cross country.
เวเจ็บตัวนี้
You guys are ready to pick
อาเรม
vegetables?
จางบอกว่ากันหวานชายหลักตัวรัตมาบีนสเตคิวคัมเบอร์เตเลทิลดังเตเฮอันโลกัลเรมจานลายฮันกันหันละสกไง
Ang pangparte po yan la. Ron mo zelan ya hey. An partop doon mo katya. Ala ron paze. Bite, we're gonna pick the beans first, okay? Okay, all the way to the garden. So that bean. Okay, the tall part, all the ones that are on the top, Rooney can grab it. Okay.
รุ่นเตฮีอาซังโตขบมายาฟิตรุกเลอินจะนี่อันนี้ตัวคุมสอมปรุกและกิงเรามาเสียให้กันหวนตานจวนจังไกเล่ไหมอาซังลำปังค่ะอบันพะเวกะเลยลอนโดง่ายละวินให้อาเจียมขบไหม
Okay, avayin kan la to ang voi na so no, but to pick everything.
Fall กันเชียเทียมดานตูจวนคลาสสิกลำปังอ้อจมริมอารมณ์น้ำเละตาให้อารมณ์แหลนค่าก็กันหวนตะโก
Yeah,
อัน
that's
สวย
a long one. But
Don't
then
make
come
along
on, what is
the
it?
sa-
Down at the bottom here
คือบาง
also.
จวนนี่
There's
ให้
more.
เขาบอกมายินเที่ยวตั้มตะคีกันหัน
Sang
หลักสกสกง่ายอันนี้
Run then.
เกี่ยฮิตลุงเลี้ยงมีกันยาก็หวนตะเฮียนินอันหันเรมเดียกเฮียจวนนินก็ลงหินติแรงเละชินไหม
La nem to lom kha. Yeah. And the bit kita can Rooney come here. Yeah. Rooney there's but the kita ki.
Yeah, we gotta stop picking the low hanging.
If it's too tiny, don't get it. They can still grow big. Okay, bit there. Yeah.
Beans and beans.
Yeah. Show me what we picked. We still have more. Can you put it in one? Can you put it together? Okay. We need. Oh boy, look at that. Okay. But there had that here and there's more beans on this side. Pick it from inside, and then we're gonna get cucumbers after that. Cucumber kan lang. Ente bigay tamasin. Right next to it.
Where? Here?
No. Phong ma kan lawang. You see that?
Yes.
Uh-huh. You need the scissors, you cut it. Don't pull it hard, just cut it. Okay. Oh wow. Look. Okay.
Show the camera.
All right. Mm-hmm. Put it in the container. Mm-hmm. Okay. Get the other one. Yeah.
Where? Oh, yeah.
You missed the biggest one. Okay. Let me see that. Wow. Also, but the hey tahianin local te ka okra ka patni ka ta kan. Hey, right here, but the. Yeah, cut that. There's a small one on the other branch too, down there. Okay. Oh wow. Now see? Oh, okay. There's one inside. Kafong matahin lara zel vehe. Okay. You see one right there? Okay. Okay. So Larsi, how many we picked so far?
We have picked like.
How many cucumbers?
7.
All right, now we're gonna pick changka. Can you say changka? Changka. Tuilu tuktero. Since we run out of space, we still have to pick a lot of other vegetables. Can you put that? Yeah, take it out from there. Take it out.
Stop it.
Yeah, but put it nicely. Yeah. All right. Okay. Put the cucumber there. Changka lak tur kan la nei box ya. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah. That's good. Now we need to pick more vegetables, okay? And you get that one too, the other one. Right here.
Hey, LARSTEA changkhazam na siam kha changkhan zama anron ra boka amai ro chu kumdang ai chuanin ka changkha te hi tun kum hian an thavak lowa alian deuh chi khan am lowa inge ni ka fertilizer pek le ka enkol dan te po a thatok lo te po ni mai theya amai ro chu ka ei khop ai tam dai e ro chu ka nei thawa chu wang chuanin kalom em thawani.
Now see, there's food here. There's a big one right there. Okay. Keep going. There's more. You see these?
LARSTEA le RUNTEA hianin ara dan hi an thiam sia lawa an hung mai
Alian bur
le thina chu wang chuanin
right behind you, but there.
en pui de ula kan ngai ani mu thiam po har ve thawa an ni tan chuanin chu wang chuanin lai kha tang chuan kan ko hu te ngai ni.
Where?
Right there.
Oh my God.
Hela ma hianin changkhate chi correct chi ikhania. Okay. There's a whole bunch. Lassie, just come down here. Oh yeah, ra ve na salut tuk alian pui chi khan ni lawa hi chu nuwa kachin le khania amoi min te kania. Bruni, don't get the baby one, okay? There can still grow, so side. Okay, bring it here. Yeah, we're gonna put back in the cart here. Okay. Hey, you can fill up the, okay. Put it together there, but that's it. Oh, don't put on top of the tomatoes. Tomatoes needs to go in. Yeah. The same kind goes in the same place. Okay, we need to pick 2 more things and then we'll be done for the day. Some chọc khai huan. Okay.
Aizola tu March thakan kalezina bangin samtrok kan koi che hun lai khan ka om lawa anua hei kan koi chek le amero chu kan takpo kachin talawa tun kuma chuanin kung somni vel or kania ma se hei an ron ra ve chana ke ei khop chu om ve maya kalo em thawani.
And there's more inside the garden. Okay, bitte. Some truck. Scoop down and you can see more. Some truck polo ra chan ve to tlem. Nakuma chuan kan nuai thang hi. Ko om tir lawang kan nuai thang hian hun na lav veka helai hi. Wang chuanin par moi em mama se kan na zau chap ta hei ni ron sale to zinga kan chana khwa vota ma se tun chuan khwa la ron lum chon le to se chon vot em okay but our last pick will be this antur kan nanga ta kan lang mo chuan then we'll be all done. Okay, go put that in the wagon. And we're gonna pick the leaves. Hey, antur kan langa, chuan kan du to kang ato berna tan chuan antur kan malti range. It's okay, you can put everything in. Don't.
Kan tu te hian na tho an she mi alowa min pui tura kan ti chu an ti zela heng te hi lalpa mal som na ro pui takania THLAI an nia an du chuanin ka pe lo min ti. San thei da ya amero chu
Right.
thil ti
That's
tur
fine.
kan han
This is
thu
fine.
hi
You see this
TLEI
here?
pon
You get it. You
min
break it
min
from the beginning.
tran
of the
down
stem.
ngai lowa chu wang chuanin heng te hi alomam em a lalpa mal som na tak mewani
Tuten anturan lo malani he. Okay, heti zong hi kan pick le chon lo ni ta tu na pick tu ko mama se avain kan ti thei vek lawa. A lot. You're gonna eat some? A cucumber and the beans, right? Yeah. Okay, I just want to thank you so much for helping your grandmother, Emmy. I appreciate. Ole khati zong kha lo ni le phot mai se. Runi.
Thank you for watching Emmy's channel. Good old man.
Kan lo me.
Good old man.
Thank you. Okay, you can leave it there, but there.
kan lom em and thank you so much and God bless.